Okay, so we are looking at the Kilimanjaro RNP 09, and it's an RNP approach. So when we program it into the FMS, Xeba is our initial approach fix. The initial fix will be kilojoule 801. Now, if we look at this, kilojoule 801, then comes RNAV 09, and then comes kilojoule 801. That's called a sandwich. Now, for example, if I get an error here by doing something which I shouldn't do, it's going to be like this. This, just remember, it has to be the initial fix, which is initial fix here. Okay, but let's try and put the final approach fix as our sandwich and look at what happens. So if, for example, I put here kilo Juliet 802, like that, okay, I'm just showing something here, demonstrating, and then I can delete this one, and then I put here kilo Juliet 802, for example, kilo Juliet 802, which is not the way things should work. Now you see, if I delete kilojoule 801, look at the difference. There is a dotted line here. Okay, this line here, this white dotted line means something is wrong. Okay, when you get to this, what's going to happen on the approach? The VNAV will kick out and you will mess up the approach. So the point of this presentation is for you to know that the RNAV only starts from the initial fix, not the final approach fix. The sandwich must be between the initial fix here. So in this case, it will be kilo Juliet 801, that one, and one more. We don't need this one here. We get this out, and then we put here kilo Juliet 801 again, kilo Juliet 801. Okay, like that, and then you can see that we don't need maybe two of these. And now let's see if it works. So kilojoule 801, RNAV 09, kilojoule 801. We still have this. When you still have this, all you do go menu, arrival, approach, and you go for the RNAV again. You have to reprogram the whole route again, okay, so that you don't get that dotted line. That's not a good thing to have on your approach. So now we are back to square one. Can you see we're all good? 801, RNAV 801. So the point is, never sandwich the final approach fix. Always sandwich the KJ801. Sandwiching meaning that the KJ801 comes here, then you have this RNAV in 2 asterisk, and KJ801 again here. Initial fix, and then we follow with the arrival, the final approach fix being at 5,000 in our case, and the like. I hope that makes sense. Thank you, and stay safe.